Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make mechanics such as cameras, the mask, the flash, and the door. So this is going to be a bit of a longer video, but let's get straight into it so it's not as long as we think, okay? So first of all, I made a few changes. This is what we got so far. We got the intro, we got the warning, which happens slightly after. I think I might need to adjust the time on that. Then we got the this, jump scares on and off, new game, night, and then yeah, I made a few changes to the desk. I'm actually gonna make a few more changes. It's a little too tall, and I don't really like that, so I'm just gonna change it a bit. Yeah, that's good. Get this. Get the computer. Make it a little smaller, actually, slightly smaller. We're gonna group that. Okay, so there we go. These are the changes I made so far. So there's a border around the door, so it's not just sitting there. And then there's like some dangly stuff, and then obviously the desk got a bit of an upgrade. So right now I'm going to show you how to do your cameras, and then after the cameras I'm going to show you how to do the mechanics. So first of all, we're going to make a button. We're gonna make a sprite. We're going to call it cam up. Okay, so we're going to make it. I'm just going to do this. So fill like that. Make it a little smaller, actually. Okay, now we're going to outline it, and the outline is just going to be a darker version of that. 10, it's a little too small. 20 is perfect. Okay, and to round edges, because I want this to look good, to round edges, you just make a dot right here. So you press this one, you make a dot right here, and you make a dot right here, you press the corner, and you delete it. And then you just do that with the rest. So, yeah. Okay, there we go. Now we have the rounded corners, which look actually amazing. Just set the size 50. Put this in the corner. Right there. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to make some lines to show that this is a camera. Now this is going to be conjoined, so you just copy it. Put this in the middle, copy it, put this right here, right there. Okay, perfect. So now we have the camera actual button. Okay, and now we're gonna do when green flex clicked, looks hide. When I receive, start game, looks show. Variables, we're gonna make a variable. We're gonna call it cam up slash down. Okay, there we go. We got a variable cam slash up down. We're going to set cam slash up down to down. Okay, and then we're going to put it in the corner. I'm going to put it right under the when green flag is clicked. So we're going to do that. Okay, and then when this flag is clicked, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast. Oops, new message. Cam up. Okay, and then press looks hide. Or actually, no, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna do an if else. Okay, and then this is gonna be right here. If else, and then we're gonna get an equal. And then in that equal, we're gonna put down. In the equal, we're gonna put down. Then we're gonna put variable. We're gonna get the cam up slash down. We're gonna put that if it equals down, broadcast cam up, hide. Then we're gonna broadcast. We're new message. Cam down. And then we're going to put that right here. Okay, and then we're going to put, oh wait 1 second. Actually, we're going to do wait 3 seconds. So that way cam has a little cooldown, you know. 3 seconds, show. Okay, we're just going to put that. We're just going to put that right here. And put that right here. Okay, now for the actual cam up. So we're going to get, we're going to go on desk when I receive cam up. Oops, didn't mean to press the message. Cam up looks hide. Okay, pretty simple. We're just gonna throw that in the office, and there we go. Okay, we're gonna delete that. Okay, so now when we press this, it should cam is up right now because we pressed it earlier. But now when we press this, oh right, Now you should do that, and then we're gonna go in the office, and then we're gonna do when I receive. We're gonna get the when I receive cam down show, and then we're gonna put that in the desk too. Okay, so now when we do this, switch down, it goes down. Oh, right, we forgot to do this. Okay, so set it to up, and then we're gonna set it to down. I completely forgot to put that in there. Okay, so this is what your code should look like, and then the cam up down system should work. So now it's going to be up, and this is where the camera is going to go, and then it's going to be down, and this is where this goes. I'm actually going to change the cooldown from 2 to 1 second, or from 3 to 2 seconds. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to add a little transition for it to look better, but that's going to be later on. So now we have the cam up / down, so we're gonna make the cameras. Okay, so we're gonna call one. We're gonna make a sprite, and we're gonna call it CAMS. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna get a camera. Just gonna make the background. This is gonna be the main stage. Make it blue, like that. Make some curtains. There, right there. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Now, if you're gonna want an animation, I'll actually show you how to do that. But for this, when I receive green flag is clicked, looks hide. Then we're gonna pull out 2 when I receive blocks. Okay, so when I receive cam down, looks hide, and then when I receive cam up, looks show. So this is what we're gonna get. So wait for that to happen. We're gonna go in the cam up, and then we're gonna put forever. When green flag's clicked, forever go to front layer. So that way you can always put the cam up or down, just like that. Okay, jump scares on, even though it doesn't do anything yet. Continue night 1. Okay, now when we do this, the cams should show. I actually am gonna do a little transition, so hold on. Okay, so I pulled in a static sprite. So basically, this is what you're gonna want. This is just came with the sprite. Okay, so this is what we're gonna set up. Okay, we're gonna make when I receive, and then we're gonna put new message. We're gonna put transition. When I receive transition, then we're gonna do this. We're gonna set ghost effect. We're gonna set ghost effect. Set ghost effect to 100, and then we're gonna repeat. We're gonna looks repeat, or not looks. Control repeat 10 times. Change ghost effect. Change ghost effect by -4. Okay, so when we receive transition, I mean 0 by 4. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna do this. Repeat 40. Instead of doing 10, I'm actually gonna repeat 40, then by 1. So it looks a little better. Okay. I'm actually gonna start this up so you can kind of see how it looks. Okay, perfect. So this is what it looks like. So when you do cam down, oh, when I receive cam down, looks hide, and then when I receive cam up, looks show. Okay, and then this is what we're gonna get. Oh, when I receive, so broadcast cam up, and then we're gonna get another broadcast block, and we're gonna put broadcast transition right under the cam up. So this is what we're gonna get. It's gonna look like that, and it's gonna look pretty nice. So yeah, this is the little transition we get. I think the 16 is a little too fast. I don't really like that, so we're gonna set it to like 8. Let's see what this does. Set FPS to 8. Okay, you know what? I like it like that. So this is what we get. This is the cameras. Okay, and then this is how we do the switch cam. So we're gonna do cam 1. Make this cam 1. Okay, we're gonna make another cam. So I'm just gonna cut, and then when I come back, I'm gonna show you all the cams. I'm gonna make 5 cams with 3 characters. So I'll see you when I come back. Okay, so I got my 4 cams done. This one's gonna be a cam not found because I want to show you guys how to make every single mechanic, because I know you guys are gonna like, you know, to make your own version. So I'm gonna show you every mechanic I can and fit into this tiny game. Okay. So first thing I'm actually gonna do is make the link capital. Okay. So we're gonna go to cams. We need to make the cam map. So we're gonna do cam map, and we're gonna copy the code from here. So we're just gonna do cam map. Okay, it's kind of a glitch I kind of get with Scratch. So cam up, put that in there. Cam down, put that in there, and then cam there. Okay, so we're gonna make our map. I'm gonna do it real quick. So we're gonna get fill none, outline white. Okay, here's a little tip though. When you're doing this, make the background black and then do it. Okay. So, do that. Text pixel in white. Put you. Perfect. Office a little too big though. Should do that. Do that. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a long haul because my cams actually show that backstage right here, and then the stage right there. Okay, here we go. We have our little room. Okay, now what we're gonna do? We're gonna delete this, and then we're gonna set this size to 50. I'm actually gonna set this ghost effect. This ghost effect's actually at 80, so we're gonna keep this 80 times. Okay. Pick it up. There we go. I knew something was wrong about it. Put this in the corner. Just like that. That's a little too big actually. So I'm gonna put maybe 40 would work. Yeah, 40 is gonna work better. Okay, the static takes a little too long, so we're just gonna do 8 times by 10. Okay, now this should be a little quicker than the other one. There we go. And then we have our cams. Okay, so this is how we're going to do the switch cams. So we're going to make a new sprite. We're going to call it cam1. Okay, we're going to make a little outline. Put the box just like that. We're going to get rid of the outline. Get a text box, and then we're going to put cam1. Okay, there we go. Just like that, and then just like that, and just like that. Okay. Now, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna set this size to 30, and then cam1 is gonna be the main stage. So I'm actually gonna set it to 20. Okay. Then we're gonna do this. Okay. So we're gonna get the stuff from cams, and we're gonna just copy this right into this. Okay, just copy it right into here. Cam1, and then green flag clicked hide. Okay, cleanup blocks. Okay, so when this part is clicked, broadcast cam1. Okay, this is basically all you need for the cam button. So we're gonna duplicate this 5 times. We're gonna duplicate this 5 times because we have 5 cameras, and each time we're gonna change the costume to which one it is, change the broadcast, and then we're gonna put it where it goes. So cam2 is actually gonna be this. Okay, and so we're gonna change the broadcast to cam2. Duplicate that, and I'll come back when it's all complete. Okay, so now that we have this, we're actually going to make a new variable, and the variable is going to be called cam. Okay, we're going to do that, and then we're going to put set cam to 1 for cam 1. We're going to put set cam to 2 for cam 2. We're going to do set cam to 3 for cam 3. And the reason we're actually making this variable is because it's going to be needed for the movement scripts, because the movement scripts are going to be pretty not complicated, but you know, it's going to be way easier than some other tutorials I've seen. Okay, so now we're going to go to cams, and this is where the cams actually change. So we're going to do when I receive cam 1, looks, switch costume, and then put the costume to which one it is. So cam 1, when I receive cam 2, switch costume to costume. Which one is my backstage? 4. Then when I receive cam 3, cam 3 is the actual cam 3. When I receive cam 4, switch costume to cam 2. When I receive cam 5, switch costume to cam 5. Just like that. Okay, perfect. So now when we do this, it should actually change. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, but we're actually going to make it look nicer, so we're going to put broadcast transition, broadcast transition right in here. Transition. Make sure you do this because it's going to make it look so much nicer, trust me. If you don't want to do it, then that's alright. You can skip this part. Just skip ahead, but I'm already almost done with it, so it doesn't matter anyway. Okay, transition. Okay, so this is what you should get now, which looks so much nicer in my opinion. Then you put it down. Actually, change this time to 1 second. 2 is a little too long. Okay, so here we go. And this is what we get, which looks amazing. Okay, so there we go. We have that, and now we have the cams done. So I'm going to show you how to do the door. Okay, so we're going to make a new sprite. We're going to call it door. So we're going to, the desk is currently going to front layer. So we're going to make the door go to back layer and then go to forward 1 layer. So go to back layer, go forward 1 layer, and then we're going to go to the actual office. We're going to make it go to the back layer. So when I receive start game, okay, now door. When I receive start game, do that, and when we clicked looks hide. So now we're gonna make a door button. Door button. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a little button. I'll be right back when it's done. Boop. Okay, so I have my door button right here. I'm actually gonna set it to like 50 because I'm actually gonna set it to 10. That's a little too small, so 20 should do. Yeah, 20 is good. Right there. Okay, so we're gonna get the movement script from the office and desk, and we're just gonna put it into the button code, which is good. Okay, and then to make it actually go to the spot you want, you're gonna have to move it inside the script or inside the costume. So I'm actually gonna want it right about there, which is good. So look, the button moves perfectly. 5. But make sure this one moves actually with the door. Okay. Clean up blocks. This is the only block I have in here. Okay, so I'm gonna click. Okay. Looks hide. You're gonna go into desk, and you're actually just gonna copy most of the stuff from it. So you're just gonna go cam up, cam down, start game, and there we go. So you have the cam button now, or the door button. So we're gonna get when the sprite is clicked, block. When the sprite is clicked, if else, I'm gonna get a new sprite. So, or no, we're gonna get it equals, and then we're gonna get a new variable. We're gonna get door up / down. Okay, And I'm going to show you how to do power so this doesn't stay up, but the power is going to be in a different video. So down, if door up slash down equals up, set door slash down to down, or I mean up, because up is going to be when it's not being pressed or anything, so we're actually going to do that right now. Okay, this is probably going to be a little longer than the other ones, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to put broadcast door down. Okay, we're going to copy this, and we're going to put broadcast door up. I'm gonna make a new costume real quick, duplicate this, plain, and then we're gonna get green. Okay, so we're gonna put switch costume to costume 2, switch costume to costume 1. Actually we're gonna swap those. Okay. We're getting the same problem we did in the cam. Okay, so we're gonna get this, we're gonna duplicate it, we're gonna put down. Okay, there we go. So now should change just like that. And then we're gonna get the door, and we're gonna make the animation real quick. Something real quick. Get a nice little gray, and try to find the spot where the door is. You're gonna copy the code from the door button right here. If I can get it in. Okay, so you're gonna try to find the door, and I actually got it right on the dot. Nice. Okay, so you're just gonna size your door up real quick. Just a little more. There we go. And then just like that. Okay, perfect. Maybe like 1 pixel smaller, and then 1 pixel thinner. Okay, they can't see the other side, so you don't really have to worry about how big it is, unless you actually can on yours. Remember, make this game how you want, okay? So we're gonna actually make this go back layer, go forward 1 layer. There we go, so it's behind there. Okay, now we're gonna make the animation. So we're gonna do this. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna duplicate a lot of costumes. I'm just gonna do 5. It's gonna be a pretty choppy animation, but that's okay. Just like this, just like such. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. Duplicate that actually, and we're gonna make it a little longer, the animation. Okay, so we're gonna do when I receive, we're gonna put when I receive door down, then we're gonna do repeat. Wait, no, we're gonna have to make it a little animation. We're gonna do set costume to costume 1. Then we're gonna do wait 0.1 second. Then we're gonna duplicate this. Costume 2. Duplicate this whole thing. Costume 3. Costume 4. And then costume 5. Oops, costume 6 I mean. And then costume 5. Alright, so this is what we're going to be left with. Okay? And then when I receive door up. Costume 5. 6. 4. 3. Oops. 3. 2. 1. Like that. Okay, so now should get a nice little animation. Just like this. Perfect. And then when we put the cam up, it hides, get a nice little thing, cam down, which is perfect. Okay, so this is going to be the video. The next video I'm going to show you how to do the animatronics and their movement, which can be quite a long video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.